Hi, everybody, and welcome to Realty Success. We are so excited today. We've got a great guest, and you're going to have a lot of fun with us. My name is Brooke Bryant. I'm one of the hosts of Realty Success. I'm a realtor in the Charlotte, North Carolina area, and I work a lot with investors and home sellers, but love working with first-time home buyers. I have a book you can find on Amazon, The Ultimate Guide for First-Time Home Buyers, and I'll have a link to that at the end of the show. Joining me today is the beautiful Regina Brown. Regina, please say hello to everybody.
Thank you so much for having me today. I am Regina Brown. I am a luxury realtor here out of San Antonio, Texas. So looking forward to some great information today. And over to you, Scott.
Well, good morning and hello. What a great today. Today is going to be so much fun. I'm so glad you're tuning in. We're getting to talk about one of my favorite topics, well, real estate. And how do you win it? And that's going to be the spirit I think that we get to explore today together. I think we're going to unlock a lot of fun things and we're going to get a current climate of how to win in such a changed environment. I'm here in Los Angeles of everywhere fun. I'm a mortgage broker. I'm one of LA's Blue Diamond mortgage brokers. And well, that's a lot of fun. That allows us to access solutions in a market space, often before they become market spaces solutions.
Don't you think real estate is just such a great way that every person can and you can change lives through real estate? I mean, a home ownership just it feels so good. That sense of community you were talking about, and that pride, and yes, I can. And then they go out and encourage others, and we get to be a part of that.
I think it's why I love this so much. We get invited to meet people when their want is highly activated. I love the power of want. I love what happens when we get to say hello to somebody who's activated in their own personal successes. And then we're invited to be with them on that journey and that piece that's so meaningful, so different than just asking what you'd like to eat this afternoon or whatever else we might do in life. This is a different life event. And gosh, I don't think it ever becomes unemotional. Now, I've been doing this since 1997, not forever, but please, I'm not immune to emotional feelings during my own real estate transactions. I refuse. You know that story, just because you can doesn't mean you should. I'm a licensed California broker, real estate broker. So I can list, I can sell, I can represent. I dare not. I'm an expert at lending. I hyper focus on it, not the other pieces. I work with professionals. And I've learned that when you want something wonderful, simply don't do it alone. Get an expert. And I practice what I preach. Because real estate is emotional. And there's so much that we don't know, even that we don't even maybe know to ask. And that's the gift of seeing real estate through your eyes, for example. I'm confident that when you guide your successful buyers and sellers, it's through advisement. Here's what it is, but here's why the what is present. I think a lot of people in industry only speak through what, and they forgot about sharing the why. And I've learned it's hard to understand if I have why unanswered. I think that's what passionate people do. They don't just say what, but they say why the what's there,
Yeah,
if
why?
that makes sense.
Why is very important. Yeah.
Don't you agree? Why?
I do.
And Regina and Aaron have a great approach with their clients. Aaron's not here with us today, but Regina and Aaron work together in their business in San Antonio, and they have said something very early on when I met them that really stuck with me. When they meet with clients, it's as if they're dating them because they want to get to know that why. What are your goals? And not just this quick, okay, let's find you a house and get this closed so I can move on to the next one. They create that relationship and really look out, okay, this is going to be long term. This is maybe their first time home experience. I could be working with them for years and years and years on other transactions, and they invest that time.
Well, and then their family, their friends, their work colleagues, it spreads. And so the
Quickly.
relationship is very vital to us.
What a great takeaway.
Thank you so much.
No, you're super welcome.
But that is our time for today. And it has been delightful and so informative. And I really hope that everybody takes away from this that yes, you can. You just have to find the right people to get you there. And one of those people is Scott Griffin. Scott, tell everybody where they can find you.
I love the internet. So please, I'm a national television host on Bloomberg Television as well. I'm also on CNBC and Fox Business. The show's called Financing the American Dream. And it's a really fun place to explore real estate lifestyles and communities throughout America. So you'll find me on television. You'll find me on Apple, Roku, streaming on your local streams. Gosh, 818-20-SCOTT. What a fun phone number. Who gets 818-20-SCOTT? Well, I did back in 1997. So 818-20-SCOTT. We'll talk directly. And scottgriffin.com is another fun way to find hello. And thank you again for inviting me today. I love what you're up to. I love what you inspire and invite. And none of this would have been possible today without your inspiration. Thank you.
Well, thank you. And to the lovely Regina.
Thank you so much, Brooke and Scott. Again, Regina Brown here out of San Antonio, Texas. You can find me on all of the social medias. And you're ever looking to buy or sell here in San Antonio, I would love to help you out.